Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today I'm just going to be doing a quick video showing you this clear case with MagSafe for the Moto Razr. This is specifically the base model Moto Razr 2025. So it does have the little strip up here. If you have the larger Razr, like the Ultra or the Plus, where the screen is taller, obviously this case is not going to fit. They do have some other ones for those phones as well, though. This MagSafe case, though, one thing about this is it's not going to work for like wallets and stuff like that. This is good for mounts, chargers, and similar things like that. It doesn't have the alignment pin down here, and it's quite small. Obviously, the back surface area of the phone is quite small. So if you put a wallet on, like I tried my Ridge wallet, and the wallet hung down probably, a few inches below the phone, and it just, wiggled side to side. It wasn't very stable or sturdy at all. So not really something you want to put a big wallet on, but definitely cool for charging because I do have some MagSafe charging stands on my nightstand that I can just plop it up on there. And with the outer screen so big, you can easily see the time, the date, the battery status. You can, unlock your phone while it's right there on the charger. And I have, all my apps and stuff like that I want to run right here on the outer screen. So you can do that right from the charger and stuff like that. It makes it very easy. So that's pretty cool. Nice little magnet right there so you can use those chargers and everything. And then other than that, it's just a nice little clear case. There's no screen protector on this one, which I do kind of prefer. I find that the big plastic screen protectors that sometimes come with these outer screen or outer, top piece covers make the screen kind of less responsive. So I do kind of just enjoy having the screen bare. But that is the clear case for the Motorola Razr 2025. And of course, I'll link this down in the description if anybody's interested in picking one up. I'm Colin with Techout. Thanks for watching.